Kamusta na mga kadadashare? Today I will share to you our venture, our community venture, and that is to have a cell site installation in our place, in our community, the Binabaan, and other neighboring barangays from different towns of Iloilo, province of Iloilo. And as you can see, we're going to climb this little mountain, a hill perhaps, or a slope. And I'll show to you our prospect area for the cell site installation that up to this date it is still pending for the approval. So we need to have this cell site installation so that we could be able to cater the needs of our students, especially in today's era of new normal in education, wherein we need really to have a internet connection or a strong signal connection, be it on the internet or a mobile phone signal. So mga kadadashare, let's start moving up to the prospect area of our cell site installation here. And as you can see, it's slope, it's healing. Okay, so I guess this is the best area for the cell site installation, since the signal for both networks, the largest networks in our country, ranging up to 4 bars signal. So this was already inspected by one of the biggest networks in our country, and this area also have been qualified for the cell site installation last January 2020. So we have already submitted pertinent papers and documents for the cell site installation for both networks of Global Smart. But up to this stage, since because of the COVID-19, it was stopped, and we are praying and hoping that this will continue to be materialized soon, so that the community, the entire community, especially our students and teachers, would somehow ease the pain of having a trouble in signal. Since we are facing now the new normal in education, we need to have at least a strong signal connection for our classes, for our online classes, since this is one of the requirements of today's educational system. And so we dearly ask for this cell site installation for us to have a signal connection, a strong signal connection, and that is. So let's move on now. Let's mga kadadashare, this is now the prospect area for this is now the prospect area for the cell site installation of the smart communication. But still the approval for the cell site installation is pending, and hopefully in due time, the soonest as possible, this venture will be materialized, because this is also very important in our community, not only for the teachers, not only for the students, but as well as the entire community of Binabaan and other neighboring barangays of the different towns in the province of Iloilo, such as we have Putotan, Badyangan, and Dueñas. So these these provinces, these towns, I mean these towns of the province, in the province of Iloilo, are are the neighboring the neighboring towns of Limbunaw, which are near to the community of Binabaan. So let's take a look at this area. So as you can see, my Canada share, I never forget to have this with me because this is a requirement when you go out. And of course, I have my backpack with me because I'm going to send some important files or documents to the DepEd portal. So this is just on the area wherein there is a signal connection. So shall we look for a place? Now as you can see, there is a signal connection here, and so that's how this one works with. So I have here a signal connection. As you can see, I have a signal connection. Fixing now, we got sending now our online submission. So we're going to go home. All right. So this is, I guess, we're going to climb this one. Abby. So this is the place also. Okay, as you can see, this area should be flattened. Okay, well, let's go home. And now I already presented to the area for the cell site installation, and we're hoping that this will be materialized soon. Okay. On behalf of the Binabaan community, I prayed and hope that this venture will be materialized. Let's hope for the best, and God bless everyone. Thank you so much.